Wouldn't it be nice if you could see what your design might look like on your project before you ever stitch it out? Background articles allow you to do that. Let's see what this little golf ball design might look like on a cap or as a left chest design on a polo shirt. So we'll click the Background and Display Colors tool, and this time I'll choose Factory Article. I'll click the drop down. We want to look for caps, and I want to put it on the front of a cap. So I'll choose this cap. And we can also choose a color. So maybe this light blue, sort of a denim color. And I'll click OK. So there's my golf ball design, and there's my cap. Now, the cap is centered in the work area. My design is also centered in the work area, but that doesn't mean that it's on the position where I want to see it on the cap. So I'm going to select all, and I'm going to group it, and then I'm just going to move it into position. Now we can get a good idea of the size of this design on a cap, and we can think about, is it too big? Is it too small? Do we have space enough to put a name around it? These are things that we can do before we ever send it to our machine to stitch on a cap. Now let's try a shirt. I'll deselect the design, click on the Background tool, go back to the Factory Articles, and this time I'll do a ladies shirt. I'll do a ladies polo, and we'll do the front. We have two choices here. We have this one and this one. I'll do the lady fit front. Let's pick a different color. How about pink? Well, that's kind of bright. I'll go to more colors. If I want even more custom, I can lighten it up just a bit that way. Click OK. I need to zoom out quite a bit. And I'll select this and I'll move it up here. This looks pretty small, but maybe we want to have her name down here and the team name up here, and then it would be the perfect size for a left chest design. We also have custom articles, so let's see how those work. Click on the Background tool again, and this time I'll click Custom Article. Click Browse. Hatch comes with all about blanks. You can also add your own articles in. We'll do those in another lesson. I'll go to All About Blanks, double click it, and maybe I want to make some towels to throw in my golf bag. Click Open. Notice there is no color option here. It's whatever was created with the custom article. I'll click OK. This time I'll move my design down there. I'll zoom in, and we can see how that looks. Now you can print your designs with the article, but when I'm ready to sew, I usually turn off the article, go back to Background. I want to click on Color Inside Hoop, and that will take away any articles I've added. Click OK, and then I want to get my design back in the center, so we'll click Center All, and there's our design.